Hey, it's me, Marie, and today I will be doing a review on this wig that I have on my head. It is a headband wig by Love Me Hair. It's 16 inches and it's like a wavy texture. I believe it was like a Indian curl. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing my review on today. So if this is something that you're interested in, please stick around. Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Marie. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a review. I'm going to be doing a review on a wig that I got from Love Me Hair. It's the, what is it called? Headband wig. So I already opened this box already and I already had the wig on. This is like, it's probably been like a week since I had it, but I did put everything back in a box so I could just show you that everything it came with. But yeah, on the box it says affordable luxury wig. It really is affordable, y'all. Like, no BS. I think I paid $98 with shipping and handling, and it's like a decent wig. Like, it's really nice. So let me just open it and show you guys. I like the box. It's just so pretty. So as soon as you open it up, it's like a little note and it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. From Helena, the founder of Love Me. So cute, right? So then it comes in this bag right here, the wig. And then it also comes with headbands. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I thought that was pretty neat. And then it also came with stocking caps to put on. So it came with 2 of those. Mind you, I told y'all I opened this already, so it was literally packaged up, but I had just put it back in here just so I could show y'all. And then it also came with this little bag full of little cute little gifts, like some bobby pins, an edge control brush, an extra headband, tweezers, and a hair clip, and it says Love Me. I thought that was pretty cool. And I think this is just a bag to put your wig in, I think. No, it's a scarf to tie your edges down with, which is perfect, right? So here is the wig. Mind you, I wore this already, so just so y'all can get a feel of how it looks. I've had this wig for about a week and I've wore it probably every day. So look at that. I haven't added anything but water to it. So in the front there is some clip-ins, and then there's one in the back. I will say this, the back can get matted if you don't comb it out when you comb through the rest of your hair, because at times we just tend to just focus on the front. Make sure you guys get the back of the hair too, so it won't be so matted when you're combing it out. But yeah, so this is how it looks. And what I like about this is that you don't have to even like have your hair braided. Your hair can just be in like a really low ponytail, like how I got it. I'll show you guys. So I got my hair in a low ponytail. See, it's real low. And yeah. So before I put the wig on, I want to use my edge control. And this is my edge control. It will be in the link by GEMSTONE Hair Care. It's called SAPPHIRE Edge Control. The link will be in the bio if you do want to purchase this. It's by me and it's extra hold, passion fruit smell. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put the edge control on my edges. So I'm gonna try the Love Me brush, but if this brush is too soft, I'm gonna use, because I feel it and it feels really soft. I'm just gonna use my own brush, my own edge control brush. Also, if you do purchase some of my edge control, it will come with the edge control brush. Yeah, no, this is too soft. You know, I'm gonna just use my brush because it's a little bit harder. Yeah. My edges are nice and sleek, okay? So now I am going to put the stocking cap on. And then just pull the stocking cap back a little bit. Fix my edges a little bit. There we go. More edge control. And now I'm going to put on the wig. So I'm just gonna take these two clips right here and then put them on the front part under the cap. And then make sure it's secured on. So this part, when I pulled it back, to snap it, it was too big. So I just tied it in the back instead, double tie it so that it's secure. And then I pull from the back. I just pull because there's a clip in the back. So I just pull the clip down and clip it under. And there. So now that I have it on, I'm going to pull the headband part, pull it forward, and then pull it back. So now it's on. And like I said, I've been wearing it all week, so every now and then you will have to add water. So I just add water. And then I fingered the tank, or finger comb with the water. If you want to use like a big rat tail comb, a wide tooth comb, you can. But for me, I just use my fingers because it's just easier. I'm just spraying water all around it. Spraying some at the top, especially because that's the part you really want to lay down. Okay, so now it looks like this. So now I'm gonna use a headband that they gave me. I think I'm going to use the cheetah print one. And so it's like already a little knot right there. So just put that on. And cover up the black part of the headband on the wig. Make sure your edges are showing. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. You can pretty much style it however you want. Some people style it up, like a half down, half up. But no, I like it just like this. Or sometimes I'll just do like a little like this and then bring the hair over this way, like that. And so then once the hair dries, it's like a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful curl pattern. But yeah, this is pretty much it for me. I just wanted to show you guys the headband wig by Love Me. I highly recommend it. It's 5 stars for me. Yeah. And if you want to purchase my edge control, don't forget to, it'll be in the description box, so don't forget to just click the link and go ahead and get you some edge control. But yeah, pretty.